Hey neighbors, it is a beautiful day and I'm in front of a beautiful home out here at 606 Lakeshore in Lucas, Texas. This is a recently completed inventory home by Southgate Homes in Brockdale Estates. This beautiful home has about 3,500 square feet and I'm going to take you for a quick tour. Okay, as we come into the front door, we've got the office right to the right, and both of those French doors open up out onto just a cute little patio. It's the front porch. And that is just screaming to be decorated. Now, as we move into the home, immediately off to the left, you've got a bedroom right in the front of the house. You can see right out the front. It's a great view. You even have a secondary window. Now remember, all of that's going to be built with houses. These are on a little under half-acre lots. You've got your walk-in closet and you've got a private ensuite bath. And remember, I love the fact that you put showers in the ancillary bedrooms. And you've got the coat closet since it's right next to the front door. You also have a powder bath right here for entertaining. Okay, and then you're going to move into the main area of the living room. You've got a niche for your television, got a cedar stained mantle, bricks, tons of glass. You have a really cute back porch and a massive kitchen. Now, let me get this haul real quick. You've got a massive walk-in pantry. I mean, that's a really good sized pantry. You've got a cute little bench. It's got coat hooks. And you have a really nice size utility room or laundry room. Some built-in cabinetry as well. All right, here's what you guys are always waiting for, the kitchen. You've of course got your refrigerator that goes here, double ovens, microwave, undermount lights, nice cabinetry, gas cooktop, huge island, deep stainless steel sink, dishwasher right here. And then you've got a really nice big eat-in area. This could support a very large dining table. I mean, this is a really large room. And the thing that I love about it is you've got glass all the way around looking into the backyard. It's a really big backyard. Wrought iron fencing out here in Brockdale Estates. And we'll pop out to the back porch. And I really can't do justice to how big this back porch is. So I'm kind of going to tilt you up a little and let you see the detail work. It is a huge pitch to this thing. It's pre-wired for gas, got electricity out here so you can hang your TV, do whatever you'd like. And then again, all the glass windows, but this is a massive area. You could easily put a conversational area and a dining table out here. Okay, let's go back into the house. Now they've just finished this house, so if you see kind of some work in progress or a little drywall that needs to be finished, they haven't even touched it up yet. They let me in here to film. Linen closet, you never have too many linen closets. You've got carpets in the bedroom. Bedrooms have their ensuite baths. And then we've got another bedroom at the other end of the hall, in the back of the house, on the backyard. Here's the master. Now the nice thing is you've got a wall of windows, but then you've got two walls that are full walls for decorating. And you have a big, bold master suite. So check out this shower. Let me walk you through it. Glass doors on either side, beautiful shower head, big full bench, lots of glass in there. You've got a modern rectangular tub. And then on the other end, you've got the glass shower door as well. You've got the facilities, and then you have a really nice large master closet. And ladies, you'll love that. You've got a natural light coming in through that window. You've got a lot of detail work in a cabinetry in here with two lavatories. Just really well laid out, and it's got a lot of wow factor in it as well. Okay, moving back through the family area. And see guys, let me give you a height check in here. Look at how impressive that is. It mirrors the porch. You got a center floor plug so you can decorate easily. You've got another bedroom back here, the walk-in closet. It's on the side of the house. Nice walk-in closets. Then you have got a full bath right here. So you really, for entertaining, you could use both those baths for your guests if you needed to. So this is a bonus room. It could be a media room, it could be a family room, an exercise room, whatever you could conceive of. If you're going to do a media room setup, you might want to do plantation shutters with blackout curtains, and then it would be perfect for it. So as you can tell, there's a lot of square footage in this home. It's a little over 3,500 square feet, and it is really, really pretty. Okay, folks, what I wanted to tell you as we're closing out the tour on this is this home, along with a few others with Southgate, have been marked down for an effort to move these properties, to sell them for the end of the year. So one of the best times to buy an inventory home from a builder, especially a high-end builder like Southgate, is at the end of the year. It's simple business, right? They want to sell those homes, they want to get them off their inventory sheet, and they're willing to make you a really good deal to do so. So if this home appealed to you, if you could see yourself living in here, if you like the colors and the choices, I really recommend reach out to me. Let me bring you out here. Let me introduce you to Richard. Let's sit down, take a private tour of the home, and then we can sit down and talk numbers and see if this is a great deal for your family, and if it's a great deal for your budget, and if it would be fun to have a new home, maybe for Thanksgiving or Christmas this year. All right, may God keep and bless you and cause his face to shine upon you and your family until we meet again.